Bueno. This might be really weird to post a video. However, I get tired of like looking for things online, and I feel like if I'm searching for them on YouTube, then somebody else is searching for them on YouTube. So, with that being said, here is the unboxing of Aveo contacts. I don't know how you pronounce it. Aveo, however you want to pronounce it. The unboxing. Say hello to happy eyes, okay? I wanted to be really cheap and try some dailies because I didn't feel like dropping $200 on some contacts quite just yet, because quite frankly, I throw my contacts away. If my contacts start feeling funny after a week or so, they're in the trash. So I done spent $200 on some contacts that I've already ran through 3 of them, and it's only been month 1. So this is the unboxing of the Aveo contacts. It's similar to the brand Hubble, similar to, I think there's another one, it's like, I'm about to say Windex. Waldo. It's similar to Waldo, Hubble, things like that. I heard some really bad reviews of Hubble and, Waldo. For me, I have astigmatism, so irregardless, I can't do Hubble or Waldo anyway. I can only do Aveo because I have astigmatism in both eyes. So shout out to all my blind folks that are looking to try some really cheap contacts. So let's get in the nitty gritty. This right here costs $5 to ship, and that's it, $5, and I want to say it's 30 of them. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. I should have brought a knife over here before I started recording, but $5 to ship. Make your eyes smile. Oh no, I'm with the camera. Make your eyes smile. Okay, welcome. A nice cute little welcome letter. And comes with my prescription, my brand. Just kidding, it's not my brand. My brand is Bausch and Lomb. But again, and I'll just show you guys the invoice. I don't know if my address is on there or not. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. $5 for 30 days. Yeah, this is 30. $5, 30 days. And again, like I said, y'all, I have astigmatism. So, and if you know anything about contacts, you know that individuals with astigmatism, we have a hard time out here because our contacts are instantly $30 cheaper. So you're looking at about $80 a box. That's $160 for, you know, 1 set basically, and then you have a whole year, or 1 box of 6. Let me rephrase that. So here it is, Aveo astigmatism contacts. They came, I ordered these contacts on Sunday. It is now Friday. So came here Friday morning. This is my first time trying something cheap, so please excuse me. But my original contacts are Bausch and Lomb Ultra Toric. If you guys know anything about contacts, which I would hope you do as you're watching this video, Ultra Toric contact lenses are hella expensive. Hella expensive and very hard to find in the store as well. I'll go to the store and they'll be like, oh, we don't have that. All right, cool. Oh, okay. So here again, unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys all the goods because I was searching for them. So 30 days worth of contacts for $5. They're daily contacts, so I wear them for a day, throw them away. Okay. But, and these are toric lenses. Oh my God, go me. $5 for 30 days worth of ultra toric lenses for individuals with astigmatism. So right now I'm not mad. But okay, matter of fact, I think y'all want to see me put them in. I want to keep this video really short because I don't like watching long videos, so I'm not gonna sit you guys through that. And just in case I didn't say it to anyone, good morning if you are still with me. Okay, it doesn't look too bad when you open it. I mean, contact lenses. If you are uncomfortable watching somebody put their contacts in, then look away, because I'm... Alrighty, again, if you are uncomfortable with watching somebody put their contact lenses in, please, please, please turn away. I will say that these are very thin contacts. I like my contacts to be very thin. I don't like them as thick as possible, so these actually are very thin. All right. The contacts are in. I feel amazing. They're very thin. I will say that. It actually feels really good. Maybe I'll send another review once they've been in for a little bit. But as of right now, I just wanted to show the unboxing of the Aveo contacts again. And again, $5 for 30 days. So my expectations, I'm not expecting a lot from them because I paid $5. But if it lasts 30 days, then they last 30 days, and I'm with that. I'm going to a concert tonight, so I'll definitely post an update and let you guys know the success or the fail, okay? So, all right, well, you guys have a wonderful Friday night. Thank you for staying with me